If the ribbon is not showing Power Query tab, it implies either Power Query is not installed, or it is installed but is disabled. To confirm this fact, click File tab, press Options button, and then Add-ins button. Click this down arrow. On the drop-down list, select COM Add-ins. Then press Go button. On the COM Add-ins dialog, Power Query is given. It means, it is installed. However, it is not activated. To activate it, select the checkbox. Hit OK button. Now Power Query will appear in the ribbon, implying it is activated now.